What if I told you there's a silent gold rush happening right now, making ordinary people incredibly wealthy? It's powered by something you use every day: artificial intelligence. Forget what you think you know about AI being just for tech giants or super smart scientists. This is about real people, just like you, tapping into a revolution. Today, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it, and how you can too. Get ready, because your perception of AI and making money is about to change forever. Most people hear AI and think of massive tech companies or sci-fi robots. But there's another AI story unfolding, one that's much quieter and more personal. This is the AI revolution. It's happening in spare rooms and home offices around the world. Everyday people are harnessing AI tools to change their financial futures. They're building businesses, automating tasks, and achieving financial freedom. The new AI tools are leveling the playing field, making it possible to launch and scale businesses with minimal investment. It's happening now, and you're about to find out exactly how. Why is this AI wave happening? For years, AI was like a high-performance race car locked away, too expensive and complex for the average person. But recently, AI tools have become affordable and user-friendly. You don't need to be a coder anymore. This shift is monumental, democratizing power. The barriers to entry have crumbled. This accessibility is the key catalyst for the quiet revolution. You can leverage these powerful AI tools to start building wealth. The playing field is tilted in favor of the individual innovator. Don't miss this window. How are people using AI to make money? Let's dive into real-world applications. YouTube automation is huge. AI writes scripts, edits videos, and generates voiceovers. AI-powered blogs practically write themselves, earning passive income through ads and affiliate marketing. Digital product businesses are thriving with AI design tools creating printable planners, ebooks, and more. AI trading bots analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. AI copywriting is creating opportunities for high-paying freelance work. Businesses need compelling copy, and AI tools help writers deliver high-quality work faster. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are exploding. AI is a powerful assistant, scaling skills and earning potential. The biggest advantage: leverage without employees. In the past, building a significant business required a team. Today, AI gives you all that leverage without hiring anyone. AI can be your scriptwriter, video editor, graphic designer, and more. It's like having a team of professionals on call without the payroll. This is unprecedented operational leverage for solo entrepreneurs. You focus on strategy. AI handles the grunt work. Your profit margins can be higher because overhead costs are lower. This is a paradigm shift in how businesses are built and scaled. Low startup costs and high scalability make AI a money machine. Traditional businesses require significant investment. AI-powered ventures can start for less than $100. Many AI tools offer free or low-cost plans. This dramatically lowers the risk and opens the door for anyone. As your venture grows, AI allows you to scale quickly and efficiently. Scaling with AI is simple and cost-effective. Your profit margins remain healthy as you grow. AI is the key ingredient for rapid wealth creation. AI unlocks faceless income streams, perfect for introverts. You don't need to be on camera to build a profitable AI-driven business. AI automated YouTube channels are successful without showing faces. AI creates graphics, designs products, and writes marketing copy. No expensive camera gear or complicated setups needed. AI handles presentation, freeing you to focus on strategy. This is liberating for aspiring entrepreneurs. Leverage technology to create assets that work for you. AI is fueling income streams, generating serious money. Faceless YouTube channels earn thousands monthly from ad revenue. AI-powered blogs earn significant ad revenue and monetize through affiliate links. Selling AI-created courses or digital downloads is a massive opportunity. AI accelerates the creation process, creating passive income streams. Affiliate marketing gets a boost from AI, optimizing content for conversions. Freelancers use AI to offer more value and command higher rates. AI is a superpowered assistant, boosting income significantly. Are normal people achieving success with AI? Absolutely. A 21-year-old replaced his full-time income with an AI-powered YouTube channel. Stay-at-home parents earn extra income selling AI-designed digital products. Retirees create AI-generated blogs supplementing their pensions. These are ordinary people leveraging AI to create value. Their success is a testament to the democratizing power of AI. If they can do it, you can too. Most people are making a massive mistake: inaction. They're sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect timing. Perfect timing is a myth. The opportunity is now. AI is a new industrial revolution, not a fleeting trend. Early movers will dominate this space for years to come. The biggest mistake is letting fear or doubt hold you back. Every day you wait, someone else is learning and earning with AI. Don't look back in regret. The opportunity is real and accessible. The decision to act is the missing ingredient for most. What are the AI tools powering this revolution? ChatGPT by OpenAI is a brilliant writing assistant. Pictory and InVideo help create professional-looking videos. Canva AI democratizes design, creating visually appealing assets. Jasper AI helps create high-quality original content at scale. Systemy.io integrates beautifully with an AI-driven strategy. These tools enable the AI revolution. They are your secret weapons for building incredible income streams. AI is the great equalizer, not caring about your background. Traditional barriers to entry matter less in this AI-powered landscape. AI provides access to tools once reserved for large corporations. It levels the playing field, democratizing access to powerful tools. Your success with AI is determined by your curiosity and creativity. AI offers a fresh start, a chance to build something extraordinary. Use it wisely to overcome traditional barriers to success. How do you get started with AI? Here's a simple action plan. Step 1. Pick one income stream to focus on initially. Choose a path that resonates with you and commit to it. Step 2. Learn 1 to 2 key AI tools for that income stream. Dedicate time to understanding these tools and their potential. Step 3. Stay consistent for 90 to 180 days and reinvest early profits. Building wealth with AI takes time and effort. The AI tools provide leverage, but your action is the catalyst. Decide today which path to take and commit to consistent effort. You now have the blueprint to build AI wealth. Most will do nothing, but action takers will build wealth. Download my free AI Wealth Launch Guide to get started. The AI revolution is happening now. Make the choice to be part of it. Comment below, I'm building my AI income. Let's build this community together.